Hi TM1 and Planning Analytics community, it is Brian from CubeWise, and here is an update on what's new and a known issue on IBM Planning Analytics for Excel that was released on December 11th, 2023 for version 2.0.92. There are four new spreading methods available for universal reports. They are straight line, growth percentage, relative proportional, and relative percentage adjustment. The straight line method populates cells by linear interpolation between two specified points. The growth percentage method takes an initial value as a starting point and sequentially increments all values in a selected range of cells by the specified percentage. The relative proportional method spreads values to leaves of a consolidation cell proportional to the leaves of a reference cell. The reference cell can be in the cube from which you initiate spreading or in a different cube. And the relative percentage adjustment method spreads values to the leaves of a consolidation by applying a percentage adjustment to the leaves of a reference cell. The reference cell can be in the cube from which you initiate spreading or in a different cube. Drill Through is now available for Universal Reports, a feature that allows you to view detailed data on a cell and information from a data source like a cube or a database. A neat tool for improving the user's workflow, providing transparency. The TM1 valve formula allows cell-by-cell control of TM1 data using tuple intersections that take hierarchies into consideration. A known issue you need to know about if you are using PAW 2.0.91 or earlier with PA Local. The issue is the spread data user interface for a universal report when using PAfE version 2.0.92 on Workspace 2.0.91 or earlier. If you attempt to spread data in this scenario, the spread data dialog box will hang and no spreading is applied. You can successfully dismiss the spreading data dialog box and continue using universal reports. In place of the spread data user interface, you can type data spreading syntax directly in report cells to accomplish data spreading in universal reports.